sweet thing, baby. Held out a loving hand. Now I reach to kiss your lips. My touch don't mean a thing, and that's a cold shot, baby. Yeah, that's a thing.
Hey, where's the money?
Come on, Mama, give me the money. Mama,
I want to see the money.
where's your money?
You should lose me.
No, I'll never let go.
Lose a good thing.
I'll never let go.
You guys only stop. I know the law.
If you should lose me. Oh yeah. You lose a good thing.
Oh, no, you will not seduce me at this point.
You know I love
Not
you.
seduce me at this point.
Do anything for you. Just don't mistreat me.
I like a man. That ain't no fair. I had to hit the nos on this sucker.
Race, Victor, race.
Rolling, 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 rolling.
You see, there is something out there which threatens our very existence and may be the end to the human race as we know it. I'm talking, of course, about Man-Bear Pig.
Man-Bear Pig?
It is a creature which roams the earth alone. It is half man, half bear, and half pig. Some people say that Man-Bear Pig isn't real. Well, I'm here to tell you now, Man-Bear Pig is very real, and he most certainly exists. I'm Cereal. Man-Bear Pig doesn't care who you are or what you've done. Man-Bear Pig simply wants to get you. I'm Super Cereal.